Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I focused on some regular cleaning and organizing, starting with my kitchen cupboards and then going on to the bathroom. I try to clean inside all of my cupboards every couple of months. I take everything out, wipe out the cupboard, get rid of things I don't want, and then put the rest back. This is a good habit to do regularly to keep things organized in your home. As I mentioned in my last video, the whole baby formula shortage in the United States has got me thinking about how much food and how many household and personal supplies I have right now. I want to stock up on the things we regularly use. As I went through each cupboard, I made note of what things we could use. Of course, I won't go out and buy all of them at once. If you have the money, get an extra item of something on your list that you were already planning on buying when you go shopping. For example, if you were going to buy shampoo, buy 2 bottles instead of 1. If you were going to buy canned soup, buy 2 cans instead of 1. If you don't have the money, it can be a little more challenging, but it's very doable. Focus on stocking up on things that are free or that are money makers. You can do this by finding a website that shows what coupon items are on sale or free or money makers. When money's really tight, using coupons will help you to get the things you need to be prepared. The things I have pictured here cost $1.58 total for everything, and it would have cost less except they overcharged me for the shampoo. If you try to get a few things each week, you will have a nice stash before long. Don't make a trip to the store just to get a few things. Drop by there when you're already out on errands or when you're on your way home from work. With the high price of gas right now, you don't want to waste money on unnecessary trips to the store. Making an inventory is the first step to being prepared. Once you know what you have, you know what kinds of things you need to stock up on. If you can get household or personal items for free, that will free up some of your other money to buy extra food on sale. It takes time, so be patient and be happy with each step in the right direction. You can do it. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.